Hey, Coming to the Table family. My name is Dr. David Campt, and we're 1 week out from our collaboration with Coming to the Table on our workshop to train people how to transform those critical race theory conversations that can be so divisive, because at root, there's the issue of what do we teach our kids about race and racism, which is a conversation that America needs to be having. And I think that people who have the mindset of reconciliation can bring a spirit of authenticity, truth-telling, and vulnerability to these CRT debates that are so divisive and shift them to something that's more productive and in the spirit of coming to the table. In a week, we sold about 42 tickets, not bad. We're trying to get to about 75. So we invite you to click on the link at the end of this video to join our process. It's on September the 25th between 3 and 6:30 Eastern. We're going to have a great time, teach you some practical skills, give a time for you to give us feedback about the process so that we can know how to go to full scale. But the most important thing is that if you want to learn these methods about how to transform these conversations, or learn some principles about how to transform any conversation, you can come to the workshop. Again, September 25th, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. It's on video. You'll have a good time and you'll leave empowered and ready to make a difference. Thanks so much.